Hello, welcome to a tutorial on WordPress. My name is Aaron Texter. My website is atgfx.com. You can get in touch with me at my email address is at@atgfx.com. This tutorial will cover the basics of the content management portion of WordPress. There's lots of functionality built into WordPress, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're pretty much just going to cover blog items, pages, let's see, menu items, uploading photos, and let's say making a page private and a couple other minor little things. You can go ahead and log into your site. For the purposes of this tutorial, I am going to be using meganwardphotography.com. You can enter your website and then /wp-admin and it will redirect you to the login page. I already have my username and password. I'll go ahead and click login. Now notice in the sidebar that we have posts, we have media. I'm going to show you that later. Pages, we'll look at this here in just a few minutes. Notice it has all pages and add new. It's kind of similar to post, all post and add new. We're also going to look at menu items. For now, let's go ahead and click on all post. You can also click on post and it will take you to the same place. You can go ahead and look at all of your posts here. If you have lots and lots of them and you need to find a particular post, you can search for it by clicking in here and typing something and clicking search posts, or you can filter it by published, drafts, trash. You can do some bulk actions to it, show all dates, view all categories. There's all kinds of stuff you can do for here. Let's look at adding a new post. Now these are like blog items. Posts are. They're different than pages, and we'll talk about that here in a few minutes as well. You can click add new there, or you can click add new here. For now I'll click here. Later I'll click the one on the top. Now here is add new post. Enter your title here. We'll go ahead and type a title, and here's where the content goes. Now, this is your traditional WYSIWYG editor. What you see is what you get, kind of straightforward. You can paste from Word. Now, if you are copying from Word, it is a great idea to paste using this button right here. It strips all of the Word code out of the text. Paste as plain text is doing the kind of same thing. So, wait, I think I might be wrong about the Word thing. I think it strips out all of the Word portion of the code and leave some of the styling stuff to it. Pasting as plain text will allow you to paste whatever it is strictly as plain text. If you're more of a coder, you can click HTML. You can use this. It's got some handy little built-in buttons here. If you don't like using them, you don't have to. You can just use straight code. These kind of make it quick though. We'll go back over into visual. I'm just going to go ahead and click body, or type body. Now click here. You'll see it's there. WordPress kind of does something unique to, say, Joomla when you go into HTML. WordPress will automatically enter paragraph tags. So I can type another paragraph here. I'll go back over here into the visual portion of it. And see, these are two different paragraphs. There's no space like there is back here. Just a handy little piece of information. Now, this particular theme allows you to use different sidebar positions and to use different widget positions. Widgets you can find here under Appearance. You can put them in different positions, different pages, use different things. We'll look at the sidebar here. Under Publish, you can have it as a draft or pending review. You can have something set public, private, or password protected. Now for Megan's site, this password protection comes into play really well. Let's just say she's got particular photos that she doesn't want to show to anybody except for one client. She can make them password protected. Upload the photos to an article, show the gallery for the article, and work out great. You know, it will allow only that one person to see them, and only somebody else that has the password. So this will allow her to you know, easily show her clients her photographs and things like that, and the clients can comment on them and show all kinds of stuff, and you know, let her know which ones she likes or which ones they like, and so on and so forth. So, but for now, I'm going to leave this as public, so I'm just going to click cancel. Publish if you'd like. You can set it to a date in the future or something like that. Let's go back over to visual. I'm going to go ahead and enter an image. Now, if I were to hit set featured image, this would do the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and select an image. This would probably be some car item. Car tire. Now that it's uploaded, I can change the title, alternate text, caption, and description. If you're looking for search engine recognition, I definitely recommend doing this for every photo that you have on your website. This will allow the search engines to direct people searching for, you know, whatever it is that you have to offer. And, you know, search engines determine search engine position based upon relative content. The search engines are not going to know if the content on your site is relevant unless you tell the search engines that the content is relevant. So anytime that you get a chance to use a title or alternate text or captions, descriptions, anything like that, use them. Now, if you're going to insert the image into a post, you can use these features here. You can set the alignment, you can use the size, use different size images and things like that. You can use it as a featured image. I'll go ahead and use that, and notice it pops up over there. Let's go ahead and click Save All Changes. Now what this is going to do is take me to the gallery. If I have more than one photo uploaded, it'll show it here, and I can rearrange them. I can edit their information just like we saw earlier, insert them into the post. I can insert images from a URL. I can insert them from the media library, which is all of the photos that have been uploaded up to the site. Imagine a photographer's website having 8 pages worth of site, right? Or eight pages worth of photos. There's a lot of them on here. You can search through them if you need to. Now, for now, I'm going to go back over here, or I'm going to go ahead and click Close. Click that. Now, if you'd like to insert a gallery, let's see, which button is it? Media. Can't remember which one it is. Let's click here again. I think you can do it from here. Click on gallery. There's a way to insert the gallery into a post, and I forgot what it is. I think there's a shortcode for it too. Let's go ahead and search for that. Let's do WordPress shortcode. Gallery. There we go. Pretty easy. It's amazing what Google will do for you, right? If I'm not mistaken, that's all that you have to insert. I'll go ahead and copy that. Insert it. Let's do that here. Click on Publish. Let's go to the front end. Now, this particular website, the theme is set to have posts show up in a couple of different places. Notice that it's there. Notice that it's here, the latest post. Let's go ahead and click on Title. Look at that. There's the gallery. If there were multiple images, I could have had, say, you know, bunches of different images used right there. Now, it's not going to pop up right now. It's still processing the image, but at the same time, after it gets done, it's going to pop up. So for now, we're going to go back to the back end and delete this, because Lord knows we don't want a picture of a tire on Megan's site. Let's go ahead and click on Image again. Go to Gallery. Click Show. Click on Delete. Click on Continue. There you go. Deleted. Close that. Click Update. That's going for the featured image. One thing I didn't show earlier is categories. You can change the category most used. You can use anything from over here. Let's see. Oh, of course, that's my phone ringing in the middle of a video. Sorry about that. That's going to be it for the post section of the tutorial. I'll go back to all posts, and I'm going to go ahead and trash it. Click trash. That got rid of it. Item moved to the trash. You can undo it if you forget to do it. The trash gets emptied every once in a while. I can't remember how often. Go ahead and click on media. You can go to library or add new, just like you did with the posts. You can edit things here. You can edit the information directly in here. When you're done editing it, you can click on update media, and it will change it. You can edit the image if you need to. I don't suggest editing your images in the back end of WordPress. I definitely recommend doing it in Photoshop or GIMP or some other style of image editor. Pages, we'll go ahead and click on all pages. Same thing as we saw in posts, and it is very, very similar functionality. I'll go ahead and click on add new up here. Got an area for a title, an area for a body. You can view it as visual or HTML. Same thing under publish, as there was in post. Under page attributes, you can give it a parent page if you'd like. You can give it a different template if you'd like. This website just uses the default template. There's our Facebook publisher again, and theme settings again that we talked about earlier. I'm not going to create anything here. It's exactly the same as the blogs are, the blog items or the posts, I should say. The difference is that pages aren't going to be viewed like the posts are. Pages are, let's just say, exactly what they say. You know, here's the About Megan page. Here's the services and pricing page. Here are pages that have galleries in them. Just go ahead and click on this. You'll notice that this is what the gallery does. If you insert a gallery, it's going to show all of the images for that particular page or posts, and you can view them that way. Go ahead and click back on home. Let's click on menus. This looks a little different, but it's very similar. Here are the menus that are on this site. Really, the site only uses the main menu. These are for future purposes. If you'd like to reorder the menu items, you can simply just click and drag on them. If you'd like to make something a sub-menu item, click and drag a little further over to the right-hand side, and it will put itself into place. I'm going to go ahead and put that back. If you'd like to create a new menu item, let's just say home. You can use a page item. You can use a custom link. You can use a blog category if you'd like, or post category, I should say. Click on add to menu, though, or add that home button. Click on save. We'll go back to the front end. Refresh the page. See the new home button down there? I'm going to go ahead and delete that, though. Click remove. Click save menu again. It's pretty easy. I think that's about it for this tutorial. I hope it's been informative. Really, the purposes of it was just to cover the basics of the content management portion of the site. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My email address is at@atgfx.com. My website is atgfx.com. Like I said, I hope it's been informative, and if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with me. Take care. Talk to you soon.